Alvin, do you have a phone mount?
Maybe.
Okay, let's just close this for a second. Okay, so for Christmas we did some stuff, aka the Christmas lights.
Wow, this looks...
So we did the Christmas lights and we have a whole bunch of blue tape all over the car. We're slowly removing it with a little bit of hot water, but it's not coming off very easily. So this guy...
You started it.
No, I did. So this guy is like, hey, your wrap's coming off right here. Like you can kind of you can kind of see the line like right there. See that triangle? Oh, camera frozen. Okay, there we go. See that line right there? So it was kind of coming off, and so did you just throw a piece of wrap at me? Oh my god. Okay, so anyways, he said, hey, look, the wrap's coming off, and then I kind of pulled on it just to kind of remove it, and it literally just tore a piece right off. So then we grabbed the top part and it just went and ripped it right off like a zipper. And then he proceeded to do this one, and then this one, and now we have this piece. And so I said I would much rather have this car at plus 30 degrees centigrade to remove all the wrap. And this gentleman, what are you doing over there? Are you serious? Are we seriously doing this right now? Oh my god, my car's going to black. I cannot believe this. See, this is what I'm talking about. This is why it needs to be plus 30 degrees Celsius. There you go. Plus 30 degrees Celsius, not minus a million degrees. You want some hot water?
No, I'm okay.
No, I'm okay. Yeah. Anyways, so this genius said, let's remove all the wraps. So allegedly, that's what we're gonna do. I cannot believe that this is the day that we're gonna actually do this. I wasn't planning on doing it today, but
You've seen me in a long time too.
oh, just because I haven't seen somebody in a long time doesn't mean I'm gonna go black for them. Anyways, I need a phone mount. I came unprepared. I literally came with nothing.
There's wheels, dude.
What wheels? How am I supposed to film this, all of this?
Mercedes on Mercedes.
Get me a phone mount for this phone right now so that everybody can watch this monstrosity of wrap and tape and everything come off in the completely wrong timeline of events that's supposed to happen for this car. See, this is what I have to deal with, guys. This is what I have to deal with. This is the kind of attitude that I get. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Oh, I don't know where I put the phone mount. So yeah, this is the completely wrong timeline. Like we said we were gonna unwrap the car from blue to black in like July, but apparently it's happening right now. So yeah, interesting. Anyways, let's get to it. Alrighty then, you guys. So we got some professional equipment, as you guys can see. There we go. Disappointed face. Anyways, let's remove this wrap. Wow, I can't actually believe we're gonna do this. Anyways, what do you want to start with, sir? The pillar?
I think we should disassemble everything first.
No, what disassembly, bro? We don't need to disassemble anything. We're removing the wrap off of a car. We're not disassembling anything. Oh God, please.
We can start with the hood.
Oh my God, look at this. This is horrible. That is horrible. This needs hot water. That needs hot water. Hold on, let me bring some hot water for you, sir. You want some water? You want some water, sir? Uh-oh. What?
Someone cut.
Shut up. Move your hands.
It's good. Dude, someone cut it and just cut the...
See, look how much easier that is. Oh, there you go. See, look how much easier that is.
Wow, look at your beat.
Wow, shut up. Shut up.
Someone all the way.
Shut up. Shut up.
Yeah, but what about this? It's under the...
Don't ask about that. All the wrap's gonna go on the floor for now. Anyways, I would use
Is it hot?
Of course it's hot. Steaming.
No, it's not.
Shut up. Just do it.
Yeah, put your key away because it's annoying after a while.
I can't believe this car went back to black just because Mr. Alvin said, let's put it back.
No one literally started it. I wasn't gonna take it off because I didn't want to touch it.
I can't believe this is actually happening right now. But it is what it is.
That's what happens when you're unemployed.
Oh my god, why did you do such a horrible job here?
Not helping it.
Is this even hot anymore?
I don't think so.
It's still helping. It's still boiling, but... Ugh. At least the paint underneath looks good.
Love someone just put tape over the rubber.
Whatever. Ladies and gentlemen, this is why you wait until July when it's plus 30 to unwrap a car and not January.
Well, yeah, I'm sorry I put tape on my car all over to the point where everyone just stares at you in a weird way.
Whatever.
You're like a haters will never understand.
Whatever. Yeah, I need to leave this part. That's it, I'm done.
You look like a ricer.
I am a ricer. Cool. Anyways, I'm done. Thanks. I'll leave it.
Here, I may need some right now.
So close the door.
That's good.
Anyways, guys, what we are going to do is...
Oh, you've been recording.
Yeah, of course we've been recording the whole time. So what we're going to do is we're going to very slowly remove all this wrap, except we're going to go from regular filming to a time-lapse right now. So yeah, instead of putting some generic music or whatever on this time-lapse clip, I decided to, first of all, speed it up from whatever time-lapse settings it was on my phone from like 5x, and I put another 3x on it, so it's like 15x right now. But yeah, here we are removing all of the blue wrap from the hood. And initially we were kind of being a little bit stupid and using a pan with hot water in it, and we were just kind of splashing it all over the hood and pretty much getting the wrap off that way. But as you guys will see a little bit later in the video, we figured out a little bit of a smarter way on how to remove this wrap. But yeah, there you go. Boom. Easy, just like that. Alrighty then, ladies and gentlemen, and just like that, the hood is black again. That was a lot more difficult than we anticipated it to be.
No.
Yes.
Shut up.
Yeah, that was very, very annoying. Now we gotta make sure there's no more tape on any of the edges. So we're gonna quickly inspect that. Oh, there's some tape right there. Yeah, I know.
The hands right here.
Hands are here. So yeah, we got just a little bit more blue on the edges.
No, it's gone.
That's it, it's gone. So anyways, now we got the hood done. I think. Let's just make sure. You guys are gonna check with us. Yeah, that's it. Looking good, looking good. Okay, now let's move on to the next part. All right, you guys, so we got some hot water now. We are currently running it from the inside of the house. And as you might see,
No, we
it
could have
is...
just done that and just take off the tape. Sorry, not sorry.
Anyways, okay, we got some hot water, and now this wrap should come off a lot easier with hot water. So, with the hot water and our skills and techniques, we will get this car back to black. The hood's already open. There you go. All right, let's get to it. Back to the time lapse. But yeah, there you go, just like that. Now we're gonna start on the quarter panel. So we're slowly working our way on the top of the quarter panel. Obviously with the hot water attached to the hose is way easier to remove this stuff. Like literally, look, it just comes off like absolute butter. Super easy. Quarter panel came off, no problems. And then we get down to the bumper. That part was also pretty easy. Again, we started on the left side of the bumper, and then we started to notice that in that little area right there where I'm spraying right now, we noticed that the clear coat was actually
coming off with the wrap. So I was like, oh no, we have a problem with the bumper. And then we realized that's going to be an issue in the future. But hey, we'll see what we'll do about it in a couple months. I don't know. We'll figure something out for this.
Anyways, you guys, so here's where we're at. We have removed the quarter panel and pretty much started on the bumper. But on the bumper, yeah, so we've discovered a couple interesting things. Like, for example, right over here, the clear literally came off the obsidian black, which is not the best. Yeah, same thing over here, it came off. Then in a couple spots, it's also kind of coming off, like right there. But otherwise, the wrap's coming off much better with hot water. So let's keep going. Okay, you guys, so we got the quarter panel, we got the bumper all the way around. And now we are gonna move on to the door on the other side. It's going. We're having a little bit of fun. Let's just say that.
Another cut line.
We will deal with all that later. There's a couple little marks on the car here and there. The clear is coming off, so not the best situation, but yeah, it is what it is. Okay, let's do both the doors. Here we go.
And yeah, there we go. So now we're working on the doors. So this is the door that actually we replaced. This one's coming off pretty easy. My biggest concern was the fact that we just did this door and I wanted to know what was underneath after wrapping it and after changing the whole door. I was a little bit concerned about the color, but honestly, once we unwrapped everything and I looked really closely, the color is exactly the same, just like I got it. And just like the paper said, it's exactly the same color, obsidian black, 197U or whatever that paint code was. Looks good. I don't see any issues. Let's finish the rest of this.
Alright then, you guys, and just like that, we got the quarter panel, the bumper, the two doors, some clean brakes, some clean rims. So we're going to leave the trunk because of the C63 and the badges and everything. We'll see, you're right. So now we're probably going to move to the other side and do the other side of the car. And then eventually we're also going to leave the fenders because of the badges. Say it.
We'll maybe do the fenders as well.
We'll maybe do the fenders as well, we'll see. And yeah, we'll do the bumper, and yeah. So anyways, let's get over to the other side of the car, and let's start doing this part. Here we go.
But yeah, so at this point, we're doing the other side of the car. We're doing the quarter panel, the bottom side of it. This part was really annoying because at this point, my fingers were literally killing me. I could feel everything. We started on the lower side of the quarter panel, then we moved to the top where the ski rack is, and that part was a pain in the ass because literally everything is covered under trim and you have to remove all the trim in order to access the wrap, which was really annoying. But we finally got it. It was all good. The hot water was literally a lifesaver because literally your fingers aren't killing you because they're dry as hell, so you can at least use the water to kind of move your fingers much easier and get the wrap off just like that, like we're doing on the rear right door right now. That came off pretty easily. The trim pieces were a little bit annoying, but hey, that was literally a lifesaver. Then we moved on to the front right door. This one just needed a little bit of peeling at the top, and then it literally came off like butter. Super easy. I was literally waiting for us to be done. I could not wait to finish this part because it was getting late and I was super tired. But here we are, finally done the door.
Alrighty then, ladies and gentlemen, and we are done the doors and the quarter panel. So now we're going to do the roof next, and yeah, we're actually progressing pretty well. All right, on to the roof. Let's go.
Yeah, so for the roof, this was a little bit annoying because it's really hard to access from a standing position. But we kind of made it work. We started on the left side, just peeled around the sunroof a little bit here and there. But it was really hard to pull because this thing would not want to go very easily. As you can see, it was easy on the front side of the windshield and the sunroof. But in the back of it, oh my, that was literally a pain in the ass. Like, it would not want to go. You can see here, I'm trying to figure out, okay, which angle do I go from? Do I go from the left side? Do I go from the right side? And literally, I'm struggling with this. You just see I'm pulling, and it does not want to come off. But slowly but surely, we got as much of it off as possible. And then finally, boom, came off. And now we're just working on the ski rack trim pieces. Just going to remove the last bits of blue off of those. Make sure we don't snap anything or damage anything. Boom, just like that. It all came off. We tapped it in place. And now we are going to pretty much be done. Excellent.
Alrighty then, you guys, and just like that, we are pretty much done with the roof. We just got these little parts to go. And we got the side skirts. We're probably not going to film that because that's really annoying. And then we got the front bumper. These, we don't know about yet because that's requires removal of this. That's a lot of work. So, and then the fenders, obviously got to take the badges off and then you got to realign them, so that's really annoying. Anyways, let's get to the front bumper in the meanwhile. Don't wiggle my lights.
I thought you tightened this.
I did. That's maximum tightness. Oh my god.
Why did it come loose again?
I have no idea. Maybe from the wind. Okay, I need both of my hands for this. Let's do it. Ladies and gentlemen, just like that, we are done unwrapping the C63 AMG. That's it. It is back to black. Well, almost fully back to black. We just got a couple little things to do left. Don't want to mess with the badges today. But yeah, that's it. It's all back to black. That's it. All the reflectors, the front, the plate, the grille, carbon fenders. Same here. We're gonna get all of that off another day because we are tired. It is freaking almost 2 a.m. We started late afternoon, or late evening rather. But yeah, that's it. Side skirt is done. Pretty much all of it is done. We're just gonna wash a couple little things here and there. And that's it. This part right here we're gonna do later. I'm not too worried about that. Same thing underneath over here. It's still got a little bit of blue. Oh, come on camera, focus. There we go. Yeah, got a little bit over there. This, I don't want to mess with this. I'll do that later. And yeah, a little bit there. That actually kind of looks pretty cool. Well, that. But I think we'll get that done later. We'll remove this piece. We'll stick it back on properly. We are done for today. We are literally tired. So we got these 2 bags full of wrap. And yo, these weigh a little bit, like a tiny bit. I would say they're maybe 10 pounds each. So, hey, weight reduction, 20 pounds. Yeah. But even more weight reduction is coming soon. We're gonna get some new shoes, a different kind of shoe setup. So stay tuned for that. That's coming up pretty soon. Super excited for that, for the fronts, the backs. Got the ceramic brakes obviously happening. So yeah, guys, thank you all for watching. Subscribe, follow the Instagram. We removed all the Instagram and YouTube stuff because honestly, I don't think it really matters. But yeah, but follow the gram. Mr. Alvin, thank you. You did an amazing job. We did an amazing job. That was a lot of fun. And that's it. Now the car is back to black. Maybe for the summertime we will PPF the whole car, maybe like in a stealth PPF or something, or maybe we'll just leave it black the way it is. Who knows? We'll see. It depends on what happens with areas like this where the paint and the clear was having a problem, but who knows? We'll see what happens. But yeah, and even on the door that we changed, this one, you literally can't tell the difference. The color is exactly the same, and the ceramic coating is still on because you can see us. Okay guys, thank you all for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.